Hi, I'm G. Who doesn't love chocolate chip cookies? I know I do. Now they're even better homemade, and I'm gonna show you how to make cookies with half the calories and less fat. First off, we're gonna start with softened margarine. We're gonna put this into a large mixing bowl. Next come the sugars, brown, then your granulated sugar, water, and this is gonna help cook the cookies steam in the oven and come out moist. Next, vanilla. Now this is a really important step, is to cream together the wet ingredients before we put in our dry. Next, our flour, baking soda, salt, and dark chocolate chips, my favorite, and they're a lot healthier than regular chocolate chips. We're gonna cream that together. Now I have cookie batter already waiting to the side. I'm gonna take my cookie tray with wax paper or lightly misted with cooking spray, and I'm gonna show you a really neat trick, which is you take 2 tablespoons, take a little bit of the batter, and then just push it off with the second spoon. And I'm gonna continue until the entire tray is filled with cookie batter. On my last cookie. Now we're ready to put this entire tray in the oven. Be careful because it's hot. And I happen to have a tray of cookies already done. And I know the cookie's done because the edges are golden brown and the middle is pale. And I'm gonna try one. It's very hot, be careful. You take a glass of skim milk and you can let the dunking begin. That is so delicious. You'll eat better when you bring the healthy cooking show into your kitchen.